Welcome to Seychelles, a breathtaking archipelago in the Indian Ocean where nature's artistry is on full display. From turquoise waters and ancient granite peaks to unique wildlife, these islands are a living museum of natural history. Join me as we uncover 12 mind-blowing facts about this extraordinary paradise. Deep in the heart of the Vallée de Mai, on the island of Praslin in Seychelles, lies a forest unlike any other on Earth. Here, beneath a lush green canopy, time seems to slow down, and the air is thick with mystery and wonder. This is the home of the legendary coco de mer palm, a species found nowhere else in the world. Its presence is so unique and vital that it has become a symbol of the Seychelles' natural heritage, drawing scientists, nature lovers, and curious travelers from across the globe. The coco de mer produces the world's largest and heaviest seed, a double coconut that can weigh more than 20 kilograms. Its distinctive shape, often compared to a human pelvis, has inspired fascination and awe for centuries, and its rarity only adds to its allure. For generations, myths and legends surrounded these mysterious nuts. Sailors once believed they drifted up from underwater forests, and their exotic appearance made them more valuable than gold in ancient markets. Some even thought they possessed magical or healing powers. The coco de mer palm is dioecious, meaning there are separate male and female trees. Pollination is a slow and delicate process, sometimes taking years. The male palm produces long, catkin-like flowers, while the female bears the iconic fruit. This intricate dance of nature is a testament to the patience and resilience of life in the Seychelles. Standing beneath these ancient giants, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. The towering palms, some hundreds of years old, create a cathedral-like atmosphere, their massive fronds filtering sunlight into golden beams. It's no wonder this forest is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, protected for its extraordinary biodiversity and timeless beauty. The coco de mer is more than just a botanical curiosity. It is a living symbol of Seychelles' uniqueness, resilience, and the enduring mysteries of our natural world. Next, we journey to Aldabra Atoll, one of the planet's most untouched places. Home to over 100,000 Aldabra giant tortoises, it's a living link to a prehistoric world. The atoll's remoteness protects a dynamic ecosystem, from tortoises to thriving marine nurseries. Its lagoon pulses with life, sustaining countless species. Aldabra stands as a powerful example of conservation in action. Here, nature reigns supreme, offering hope for wild places everywhere. Seychelles beaches are legendary, none more so than Ant's Source d'Argent on La Digue. Time-sculpted granite boulders, powdery white sand, and luminous turquoise waters create a surreal landscape. Under the afternoon sun, the sand glows with a delicate pink hue from coral fragments. Secluded coves and calm lagoons invite you to immerse in tranquility. It's a photographer's dream, and a perfect expression of tropical beauty. Walking here feels like stepping into a living painting. Seychelles is as rich in culture as it is in nature, a true Creole melting pot. French settlers, enslaved Africans, British colonists, Indian laborers, and Chinese traders all shaped its unique society. The result is a harmonious blend of languages, faces, and traditions. Creole music, dance, and cuisine reflect this vibrant mix. In Victoria's market, the fusion of spices and cultures is unmistakable. The Seychellois people celebrate their diverse heritage with pride. This multicultural spirit is as captivating as the islands themselves. Seychelles' isolation has created a biodiversity hotspot teeming with endemic species. From the iconic coco de mer to the tiny gardener's Seychelles frog, evolution has worked wonders here. Unique plants like the carnivorous pitcher plant and rare orchids thrive in misty forests. Endemic reptiles and invertebrates add to this miniature world of marvels. Conservation is enshrined in the nation's constitution, with vast protected areas safeguarding fragile habitats. Invasive species and climate change remain threats, but ongoing efforts offer hope. Seychelles is a sanctuary for irreplaceable life. Seychelles is a nation of 115 islands, scattered like emerald jewels across the sparkling blue waters of the Indian Ocean. Each island has its own unique character, shaped by centuries of isolation and the forces of nature. Some are large and mountainous, while others are tiny, barely rising above the waves. Together they create a breathtaking mosaic of land and sea, where every island tells a different story. The inner islands, dominated by the granite peaks of Mahé, Praslin, and Ladigue, are the beating heart of Seychelles. These islands are lush and ancient, covered in dense forests and ringed by powdery white beaches. Most Seychellois people live here, in vibrant communities that blend Creole culture with the rhythms of island life. The landscapes are dramatic, with towering boulders, hidden coves, and winding coastal roads. These granite islands are remnants of the supercontinent Gondwana, making them some of the oldest islands on Earth. Their dramatic landscapes, giant boulders, misty forests, and rare endemic plants are a living museum of natural history, shaped over millions of years by wind, rain, and time. In contrast, the outer islands are a world apart. These low-lying coral atolls and sand cays are wild, remote, and largely untouched by human hands. Here, nature reigns supreme. Seabirds nest in their thousands, and the surrounding waters teem with vibrant marine life. Colorful fish, sea turtles, and living coral gardens. Few of these islands are inhabited, and many remain pristine, offering a rare glimpse into a world where nature thrives undisturbed. These untouched paradises are sanctuaries for wildlife, and a reminder of what the world once was. The contrast between the ancient granite islands and the delicate coral atolls is striking, a journey through geological time, from the deep past to the ever-changing present. It's a living testament to the power and beauty of nature's forces. Together, these 115 islands form a tapestry of natural wonder, where every sunrise brings new colors, and every island holds a secret waiting to be discovered. Seychelles is not just a destination, it's a living, breathing paradise shaped by time, nature, and the spirit of its people. Seychelles' hidden coves once sheltered pirates who preyed on Indian Ocean trade routes. Legends tell of buried treasure, especially that of the infamous pirate Labuse, whose cryptic clues still spark treasure hunts. Pirate lore lingers in place names like Ants for Bands, Pirate's Cove. These tales add adventure and romance to Seychelles' history. To taste Seychelles is to experience its culture, fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and bold spices. The national dish, grilled fish, is marinated in garlic, ginger, and chili, then cooked over coconut husks for a smoky aroma. It's served with a tangy Creole sauce, blending French, Indian, and African influences. Rice fruit chutney and crisp salads complete the meal. Enjoyed beachside, it's more than food. It's the spirit of Seychelles on a plate. Every bite tells the story of the island's diverse heritage. Before Europeans arrived, Seychelles was uninhabited, no ancient tribes, just a pristine paradise. The first settlers in 1770 were a mix of French, Africans, and Indians, forming the foundation of the Seychellois nation. With no indigenous population, the society was built from scratch, fostering unity and inclusivity. This unique beginning shaped a culture open to all. Seychelles is a nation born from diversity and new beginnings. Nestled on the lush island of Mahé, Victoria is not just the capital of Seychelles, it's also one of the tiniest capitals on the planet. With a population of just over 25,000, this charming city is so compact that you can explore its main sites on foot in just a couple of hours. Yet, despite its size, Victoria is bursting with character, color, and a unique blend of cultures that make it truly unforgettable. At the very center of Victoria stands its most famous landmark, the iconic clock tower. This elegant silver structure, modeled after London's Vauxhall Clock Tower, is a proud relic of British colonial rule and has watched over the city since 1903. Locals and visitors alike use it as a meeting point, and it remains a symbol of Victoria's enduring heritage. Just a short stroll away, the Sir Selwyn Clarke Market buzzes with life. Here, vendors display an array of exotic fruits, fragrant spices, and the freshest catch from the Indian Ocean. The market is a sensory feast where the vibrant colors and lively chatter reflect the island's rich cultural mix, African, Asian, and European influences all coming together in one place. As you wander through Victoria's streets, you'll notice the city's distinctive Creole architecture, buildings painted in pastel hues with ornate wooden balconies and shutters. The nearby botanical gardens offer a peaceful escape, home to giant tortoises, rare palms, and a rainbow of tropical flowers. The city's friendly, laid-back atmosphere invites you to slow down and soak in the island's natural beauty. Victoria is a microcosm of the Seychelles Islands themselves, vibrant, welcoming, and full of charm. Locals greet you with warm smiles, and the streets are lined with inviting cafes, colorful shops, and lively markets. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, the city's energy is infectious. Here, history and daily life blend seamlessly. Colonial-era buildings stand side by side with modern shops and bustling street vendors, creating a unique tapestry that tells the story of Victoria's past and present. In Victoria, the world's smallest capital, you'll discover that a city's heart doesn't depend on its size. Instead, it's the spirit of its people, the richness of its culture, and the vibrancy of daily life that make Victoria truly come alive. Seychelles is a global leader in marine conservation, protecting 30% of its vast ocean territory. Innovative policies, like the Debt for Nature swap, fund projects to safeguard coral reefs, seagrass beds, and deep-water ecosystems. Strict tourism regulations and plastic bans help preserve fragile habitats. Community-led efforts restore reefs and mangroves, reflecting a deep connection to the sea. The Seychellois people are stewards of their ocean home. Seychelles is a beacon of hope for marine conservation worldwide. Seychelles is a paradise for bird lovers, home to some of the world's rarest species. The Seychelles black parrot, the national bird, has rebounded thanks to dedicated conservation. 12 endemic bird species, from the paradise flycatcher to the scops owl, thrive here. Islands like Cousin and Aride host vast seabird colonies, creating a spectacle of sound and color. Birdwatching here is a glimpse into evolution's wonders. Seychelles is a living aviary of priceless natural jewels. Our journey through Seychelles reveals a land of superlatives, unique, diverse, and inspiring. From ancient forests to vibrant markets, every discovery deepens our sense of wonder. Which fact surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe for more remarkable journeys. Thank you for joining me. May your own adventures be just as extraordinary.